Bengaluru has begun a citywide footpath encroachment clearance drive after the deadline for voluntary removal ended on June 30th. The Greater Bengaluru Authority launched the operation on July 1st under the Safe Footpath campaign. Officials said the drive will cover nearly 2,000 km of roads. With police support, and action will be taken against those who fail to remove encroachments. The campaign is being carried out by the GPA's 5 city corporations following directions from Bengaluru Development Minister Krishna Bairegaura. Bengaluru Central City Corporation Commissioner G. Jagdish reviewed the drive and directed officials to clear encroachments from arterial and sub-arterial roads, restore pedestrian pathways, and coordinate with BESCOM to remove unused electric poles and other obstructions. The drive began in several parts of the city, including MG Road, Indiranagar, Domlur, Jayanagar, Baswangudi, Rajashinagar, Malleshwaram, BDM Layout, Padmanabhanagar, Govindraj Nagar, and Vijayanagar. Officials from the City Corporation, Traffic Police, BESCOM, and other departments are jointly conducting the operation. G. Jagdish also inspected the ongoing clearance work at Okhipuram and near Majestic, where he reviewed the progress on the ground.
ಅದನ್ನು ಸೇರ್ಸ ಮಾಡು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಿತ್ತಾಕದ ಬಣ್ಣ.